pay for ads on YouTube, use Google Ads. Access Google Ads. Sign into your Google Ads account or create one if you haven't already. Google Ads is the platform used to create and manage YouTube ad campaigns. Create a campaign. Click on Campaigns and then the plus sign to start a new campaign. Select the goal of your campaign, awareness, consideration or conversions. Choose campaign type. Within Google Ads, select video as the campaign type to create ads for YouTube. Set campaign settings. Define the campaign settings, including budget, targeting options, ad placements, and bidding strategy. Ad group creation. Create ad groups within your campaign. Define the audience you want to target, the YouTube videos or channels where you want your ads to appear, and the ad format, TrueView, bumper ads, or display ads. Ad content. Develop engaging ad content, videos, compelling headlines, descriptions, and calls to action that align with your campaign objectives. Budget and bid strategy. Set a daily or campaign budget and choose a bidding strategy based on your advertising goals. Review and launch. Review all the details, preview your ads, and then launch your YouTube ad campaign. Monitor performance. Track the performance of your ads using Google Ads Analytics tools. Make adjustments to targeting, budgets, or ad content based on the campaign's performance to optimize results.